Main thing you guys are doing wrong in conversation. The guys are having platonic conversation that is very service level. You have a tendency of just talking about the environment, or it's nice weather, or, oh, so what's up with school, blah, 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 blah. I like to make observations about the girl. Okay, in the beginning, the first minute of the conversation, fuck all these interview questions, fuck the get to know you talk. I just make observations about the girl. If you guys could take away one thing about taking the conversation one step towards being a little bit more flirty. I wouldn't even say it's like super flirty. It's just one step in the right direction of being more flirty and a little bit more engaging, is making the conversation about the girl through observations. Okay? And say something about the girl. The reason by assumptions and observations are powerful is because you make it about that person. So naturally you're going to be engaged in the conversation, right? If I talk to you guys, something I just noticed about you, you would be like all your attention would suddenly be like really locked in unless you'd be like, what? Yeah. Like, what is it? Okay. Because I made the conversation about you. Okay. So that's the same thing when you're talking to a girl and I'm just like, yeah, how's your day going? It doesn't captivate the attention the same way as when you make a statement or an observation about that person. Okay, so right there you can see the difference on how to be a more engaging conversationalist. Which other observations or assumptions would you make besides nationality and occupation? I mean, there's a lot of different things, man. Age, like oftentimes if I'm talking to girls, I'll just be like, I'll say something and I'll be like, wait, how old are you? And they're like, how old are you? I'm like, I'm way older than you. Don't worry. Don't even worry. I can just tell, right? It's kind of like an observation or an assumption that the girl's really young. Me personally, I like to do that one because I'm actually getting slightly old-ish at this point. So like I'm 31. So by me setting the frame that I'm older, it allows the girl to fall into my frame. And oftentimes if I'm teasing the girl that she's too young and then she finds out I'm 31, she's actually like, you're not that old. Blah, 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 as opposed to me not saying it. And then later on, when the girl's like, how old are you? And I'm like, how old do you think I am? I'm 31. I don't want to, it's weird. The girl's like, oh my God, you're so old, So I like to play the card before the girl could play that card. So age is a good one. Ethnicity is a good one. Whether or not she's like a local from the area, that's another one I could usually tell. Like I could tell you're not from around here. Are you totally not from around here? I could just tell. Like, are you touristy vibes? Or if she looks like West Coast, LA type of girl, or there's like a Miami kind of a girl, there's like a New York kind of a girl. I think all of those types of girls have like different vibes to them too. Other assumptions I could make. I mean, this is all shit I talk about in week 3 of the mentorship program. I go really in depth on all the different kind of cold reads you could be doing about a girl and how to apply them. So a girl that's like more of a homebody, doesn't really like to go out and party too much, more of like a chill girl that likes to just chill out, read books, maybe have a glass of wine. There's also the type of girl that's like a sporty fitness girl, yoga girl. There's like animal lover girl, super nurturing and taken care of, and supportive, and like, or you could even like, I even talk about ways that you could take all these cold reads and turn them into like teases too. So like animal lover could be turned into a crazy cat woman that has like 17 cats. Doesn't leave the house, and like her house is like covered in fucking cat litter. It smells like piss. Nurturing, supportive, the mother of the group, probably a nurse. That's another kind of like type. Outdoorsy, spiritual, naturey, goes on hikes. That could also be teased into like super spiritual, gets stoned all day, or acid trips, or ends up like doing ayahuasca with shamans kind of a thing, hippie vibes. Okay, all of these different, everything I'm saying here is like way different archetypes of girl, but you could see how each of these could be very, very powerful. Okay, I make the conversation about the girl and I make observations like, don't be feisty, right? That's me commenting on an observation that I see about the girl, literally in that moment. Don't be feisty. I based that on what she said. Okay. And then she was like, I'm a purebred baby. What do you think? And I was like, I paused. I looked her up and down with like a little bit of a smirk on my face. And I was like, and then I looked over at the front. I was like, yo, that comment tells me everything I need to know about her right now. This is fun. This is fun back and forth banter that the girls fucking love. This is a girl. If I show you the full interaction of this, you could see literally how I go from open to literally bring this girl home. And the moment we got to my house, clothes were coming off. Okay. Could literally show you guys open to close with this interaction. And it's all about making the interaction about the girl in a fun, playful way, observations, commenting on what she's doing in real time. Okay, I'm not like, so do you go to school around here? Or tell me about yourself. Nah, dude, that's not that fun. That's not how you're memorable. That's not how, that's not going to help you. Okay, that's not going to get the girl into you.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And by the way, if you want to work with me personally to implement any of the techniques in this video to become more socially confident, get more women in your life, build a bigger social circle, and really just dominate life in any aspect socially, I can help you with that. I'm the guy for that, okay? Been doing this for a long time. I've transformed myself going from a video game nerd loser to becoming one of the top guys in the industry with this stuff, okay? So if you're interested in working with me personally, click the link below, click the link in the description, fill out the application, and we will be contacting you to discuss further details. Until next time, Coach Kyle signing out. Peace.